Wooden Christmas crafts ideas for decorations are perfect for creating a warm, cozy, and timeless holiday atmosphere. Wood adds a natural charm that instantly makes your Christmas decor feel more welcoming and elegant. These crafts are not only beautiful, but also durable and eco-friendly, making them ideal for long-lasting festive decorations. You can start with simple wooden ornaments such as stars, snowflakes, reindeer, and Christmas trees. Paint them in classic colors like white, red, green, or natural wood tones for a rustic look. Personalized wooden name tags and hanging signs with festive words like Joy, Noel, or Merry Christmas are also great ideas to decorate walls, doors, or mantels. For table decor, wooden candle holders, mini wooden houses, and handcrafted centerpieces bring a cozy winter feel to your dining space. Wooden crates can be turned into decorative shelves for displaying lights, pine cones, and small Christmas figurines. You can also create wooden advent calendars or countdown boards to make the season more exciting. Wooden Christmas crafts are perfect for both modern and traditional homes. With a little creativity, these handmade decorations add warmth, character, and a personal touch to your festive setup, making your Christmas celebrations feel extra special and truly memorable. Happy holidays!